I was curious, how does the new turbocharged 911 engine sound compared to the old naturally aspirated? I had the chance to drive a naturally aspirated 911 while Porsche was fixing something on mine turbocharged one. So here's a short video where I'm gonna show you how they sound like from the inside and from the outside. So here you see my 911. It's the Targa 4S. It has 420 horsepower and it's all-wheel drive. And as you can see in the back, it's a new turbocharged version. This is the naturally aspirated 911. It has 350 horsepower and rear-wheel drive. It is the 911 Black Edition. So here we are in the naturally aspirated 911. As you can see, the sport mode is on and the sport exhaust system is also open. Now you have a little bit of an idea what it sounds like to be in that car. What really bugged me while driving this car, and I'm so happy Porsche changed that, are these pedals to change the gear. They sound weird and are not really sporty to drive. So here we are in my 911 now. With the new version, Porsche changed where you change the mode of the car. So it's now at the steering wheel. When you move it up, it's in normal mode. To the side, it's in sport mode. And automatically the sport exhaust system opens up. So now let's hear what these Porsches exactly sound like. This is the naturally aspirated. And this the turbocharged. At the beginning the sport exhaust system is closed. By the way, on the new turbocharged engine you know that the car has a sport exhaust system when the pipes are in the middle. On the old one they are always on the outside. The biggest difference in the sound is probably the afterburn. It's way louder on the turbocharged engine. Unfortunately, I didn't record a drive-by with the old one. Whenever you hear this sound, you know that the 911 has the sport mode on and the sport exhaust system open. The sound nearly only occurs when you have both settings on. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just leave a comment and I will answer.